You know that feeling when you open a sliding wardrobe to get ready? It's like it was designed just for you and only you. For over 30 years, Komandor has been creating that feeling. They are the European leader in wardrobe sliding door systems, designing and manufacturing their products in Poland and selling them in 42 countries worldwide. In 2011, Luxus collaborated with Komandor to set up a modern factory in India to create modern customized sliding door wardrobes that meet the highest European standards. Luxus and Komandor share the same vision for sliding door wardrobes, combining their expertise, knowledge, and passion to create a huge impact in the home decor industry. In 2012, Slido brand was created to specialize in wardrobe sliding doors. With Slido, now you can purchase modern, customized sliding doors for wardrobe and create your own designs to enhance your bedroom decor. With Slido's custom wardrobe magic, you can design your dream sliding door wardrobe. Visit our co-creation experience center for free design support. Explore 7 collections for endless possibilities. Or bring your own design inspiration and our team will customize it to your taste. Slido offers a wide range of unique design options and material finishes, so you can find the perfect sliding door wardrobe to match your taste and the aesthetic of your bedroom. Komandor and Slido regularly participates in industry fairs in Europe and India to showcase their latest innovations in sliding door wardrobes. In 2023, Slido was awarded the most innovative brand for wardrobe sliding doors and room partitions in the presence of 250 interior designers. The collaboration between Slido and Komandor brings unmatched value to the home interior profession. With world-class product features for safety, durability, and finish in sliding door wardrobes. With Slido and Komandor, your sliding door wardrobes will feel uniquely yours, just as it was always meant to be.